Imagine stepping outside your home, not to a garden that needs replanting every season, but to trees quietly producing food year after year. No seed packets, no rushing the seasons, no empty shelves. Just living food sources that grow stronger with time. For most of human history, survival wasn't built on annual crops alone. It was built on trees. Trees that fed families during wars, famines, economic collapse, and long winters. Trees that didn't need constant attention. Trees that produced even when people were tired, busy, or struggling. Annual vegetables are helpful, but trees are permanents. Today, you're going to learn about 8 food-producing trees that can feed a family for decades. These aren't luxury plants or exotic novelties. These are resilient, proven, calorie-rich trees that turn land into long-term food security. Once established, they don't just feed you once, they feed you every year. Let's begin. 1. Apple tree. If there is one tree that truly defines long-term food security, it is the apple tree. Apples are not just fruit, they are a system. For centuries, apples formed the backbone of household survival across Europe, Asia, and North America, long before refrigeration or global trade existed. Entire rural communities relied on apples because they solved one of humanity's oldest problems: how to store food through winter. Fresh apples could be kept in root cellars for months. Bruised or overripe fruit was never wasted. It was dried, cooked down, fermented, or turned into vinegar. Even damaged apples still had value. An apple tree teaches patience. In its early years, it doesn't rush into heavy production. Instead, it focuses on root development, trunk strength, and branch structure. This slow beginning is exactly what makes it so dependable later. Once mature, an apple tree becomes extraordinarily generous. A single healthy tree can produce hundreds of pounds of fruit each season, far more than one family can eat fresh. That surplus is the secret to resilience. It allows you to preserve, trade, feed animals, or store calories for the future. Apples shine because of versatility. They can be eaten raw, baked, boiled, dried, fermented, or pressed. They become cider, vinegar, sauce, leather, pies, or winter snacks. In hard times, food that can change forms is more valuable than food that can only be eaten one way. From a growing standpoint, apple trees are among the most adaptable fruit trees in the world. There are varieties bred for extreme cold, humid summers, arid regions, and short growing seasons. Some apples tolerate frost better than most fruit trees, while others resist disease and require little intervention once established. Nutritionally, apples offer more than sweetness. They provide fiber that supports digestion, vitamin C that supports immune function, and plant compounds that help regulate inflammation. While they are not a complete food on their own, they are an excellent base crop that complements grains, nuts, and legumes. But the apple tree's greatest strength is reliability. Once planted and established, it doesn't need replanting. It doesn't rely on yearly seed availability. It doesn't care about supply chains, fuel shortages, or rising prices. It simply produces quietly, consistently, and on its own schedule. That kind of dependability is priceless in uncertain times. 2. Walnut tree. Walnut trees are slow, powerful investments. They do not rush. They do not compete for attention in their early years. But once mature, they become giants, both in size and in contribution. Walnuts provide one of the most nutrient-dense foods available from a tree. They are rich in healthy fats, especially omega-3 fatty acids, along with protein, fiber, magnesium, manganese, and antioxidants. In survival conditions, fat becomes critical. Without adequate fat, energy drops. Cognitive clarity declines. Hormonal systems suffer. Fat is fuel for endurance. Walnuts deliver that fuel naturally. A mature walnut tree can drop thousands of nuts each season. Each shell protects a compact, calorie-dense package designed for long storage. Kept cool and dry, walnuts can last for years. In-shell storage extends shelf life dramatically. They can be eaten raw, toasted, ground into meal, pressed into oil. Walnut oil itself is valuable, not only as food but potentially for preservation and other traditional uses. Beyond food, walnut trees offer additional survival benefits. Their wood is among the most prized hardwoods in the world, strong, durable, and valuable. In a long-term self-reliant system, building material matters. Walnut trees also produce natural compounds like juglone that suppress competing plants nearby. While this requires planning and garden design, it also reduces weed pressure and competition under the tree's canopy. Their deep root systems stabilize soil and draw nutrients upward, contributing to long-term land resilience. They are not fast. You may wait years before heavy production begins. But survival is not about speed. It's about durability. It's about long-term thinking. It's about planting something today that strengthens your land 10, 20, 50 years from now. Walnut trees embody that philosophy. They stand tall. They endure storms. They produce quietly. And once mature, they become a yearly cascade of stored energy falling from the sky. 3. Mulberry tree. Mulberry trees are one of the most underrated survival trees on Earth. They grow fast. They tolerate poor soil. They survive drought. They resist pests. And they produce enormous amounts of fruit. But what truly makes mulberries powerful isn't just that they survive. It's that they thrive under neglect. While many fruit trees demand careful pruning, spraying, fertilizing, and protection, mulberries often grow like wild trees. Plant them once and they establish deep roots quickly. Within just a few years, they can tower overhead and begin producing heavily. And when they produce, they produce. A mature mulberry tree can yield hundreds of pounds of fruit in a season. The berries ripen over several weeks, sometimes longer, providing a steady supply instead of one single harvest. In a survival situation, that staggered production matters. It spreads food availability over time. Mulberries are sweet, calorie-rich, and highly productive. They contain natural sugars for quick energy, fiber for digestion, vitamin C for immune support, iron for blood health, and antioxidants that protect the body from stress. They can be eaten fresh straight from the branch. They can be dried like raisins for long-term storage. They can be cooked into preserves, syrups, or sauces. They can be fermented into wine or vinegar. Even the leaves have value, historically used for tea and even as livestock feed. In some cultures, mulberry leaves are considered medicinal, especially for supporting blood sugar balance and metabolic health. From a resilience standpoint, mulberries are exceptional. They handle heat. They tolerate cold. They grow in clay, sand, and less than ideal soil. Once established, they require minimal watering. They don't demand perfection. They reward persistence. Plant one today, and in a few short years, you'll have a tree that feeds you for decades. 4. Pear tree. Pear trees don't get the same attention as apple trees, but in survival terms, they are often even tougher. Many pear varieties are exceptionally cold-hardy and naturally resistant to disease. They tolerate poor soil, wind exposure, and neglect better than most fruit trees. In abandoned homesteads, it's often pear trees that are still alive decades later, quietly producing fruit with no care at all. That resilience makes pears ideal for survival planting. Pear trees are also long-lived. Some historic pear trees have produced fruit for over a century. That means one planting decision doesn't just feed you, it feeds children, grandchildren, and future occupants of the land. Few crops offer that kind of generational return. Like apples, pears are excellent storage fruits. Many varieties are harvested firm and actually improve in flavor as they rest. Stored properly, pears can last for months in cool conditions. Dried pears are calorie-dense, lightweight, and shelf-stable. Perfect for winter food reserves. From a nutritional perspective, pears provide fiber, minerals, and steady carbohydrates that digest slowly. They are gentle on the stomach and especially useful when diets are limited or digestive stress is high, a common problem during hardship. Another major survival advantage is bloom timing. Pear trees tend to flower later than apples, which reduces the risk of frost killing the blossoms. Late frost can wipe out entire harvests, so this natural delay often results in more consistent yields year after year. Pear trees may not be flashy. They don't demand attention. They don't produce dramatic early harvests. But survival rarely rewards drama. It rewards plants that endure, plants that forgive mistakes, plants that keep producing when conditions aren't perfect. In that sense, pear trees embody one of the most important principles of food security. Consistency beats intensity. And in the long run, consistency is what keeps families fed. Absolutely. I'll expand this while keeping the strong, survival-focused tone and rhythm you're using. 5. Fig tree. Fig trees are survival specialists in warm climates. They grow in rocky soil, they tolerate drought, they fruit quickly, and they can produce multiple harvests per year in the right conditions. Figs have been cultivated for thousands of years for one simple reason: reliability. Unlike many fruit trees that take years to mature, fig trees often begin producing within 2 to 3 years. Some varieties produce an early brebe crop on old wood, followed by a main crop later in the season. That means food more than once per year. In survival terms, that's strategic redundancy. Figs are calorie-dense and rich in natural sugars, making them an excellent energy source. They're also high in fiber, calcium, potassium, magnesium, and antioxidants. Historically, dried figs were used as travel food, military rations, and winter sustenance across the Mediterranean and Middle East. Once dried, figs last a long time without refrigeration. They store compactly, transport easily, and require no complex processing. Simply slice and sun-dry, and figs are expandable. One of their greatest strengths is propagation. A simple cutting placed in moist soil can root and become a new tree. That means one tree can become many. In survival scenarios, the ability to multiply food sources without buying new plants is powerful. A single healthy fig tree can turn into an orchard over time. Fig trees also adapt well to container growing, small yards, and tight spaces. They respond well to pruning and can be kept compact without losing productivity. They don't need rich soil. They don't need constant watering. They don't need spraying every season. They need sun and patience. Figs don't wait decades to produce. They start giving while other trees are still growing roots. 6. Olive tree. Olive trees are not just food trees, they are survival symbols. For thousands of years in dry, wind-scorched Mediterranean climates where little else thrived, olive trees sustained entire civilizations. When grains failed and rains didn't come, olives endured. And they kept producing. Olive oil wasn't just food. It was fuel. It was medicine. It was trade. It was light in the darkness. A single mature olive tree can produce significant yields for generations. The fruit itself is nutritious, but the oil is where olives become survival powerhouses. Olive oil is calorie-dense and shelf-stable. It concentrates energy into a small, storable volume, something incredibly rare in the plant world. In survival conditions, fat is often the missing macronutrient. Carbohydrates are easier to grow. Protein can be sourced from legumes. But fat? Fat is hard to secure long-term. Olives solve that problem. They are rich in monounsaturated fats that support cardiovascular health, provide sustained energy, and aid nutrient absorption. They contain antioxidants that help protect the body from stress and inflammation, critical when living under physical strain. And the tree itself is legendary. Olive trees tolerate drought. They tolerate rocky, alkaline soil. They tolerate wind, heat, and long, dry summers. Once established, their deep root systems seek water far below the surface. They don't demand rich compost or constant feeding. In fact, they often perform best in marginal soil where more delicate fruit trees would struggle. Some olive trees are documented to be hundreds, even thousands of years old. Think about that. Plant an olive tree and you're not planting for yourself alone. You're planting for generations. Yes, olives require processing to remove bitterness. Yes, oil extraction takes effort. But what you receive in return is one of the most valuable survival resources on Earth. Shelf-stable fat that supports survival at every level. Food, preservation, skin protection, soap making, lamp fuel. The olive tree doesn't rush. It matures slowly. But once it reaches full production, it becomes one of the most dependable trees you can grow in warm, dry climates. It is not just a fruit tree, it is infrastructure. 7. Avocado tree. In suitable climates, avocado trees are unmatched for nutritional density. Avocados are not typical fruit. They don't spike blood sugar, they don't act like dessert, they act like sustenance. Creamy, calorie-dense, and rich in healthy fats, avocados provide what many survival diets lack: sustained energy. They contain healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber for digestive stability, potassium in higher amounts than bananas, folate and essential micronutrients. Unlike most fruits, avocados behave more like a meal than a snack. In times of scarcity, that difference matters. A mature avocado tree can produce hundreds of fruits per year. That's hundreds of nutrient-dense meals growing quietly overhead. And because avocados ripen off the tree, they offer flexible harvest timing. You can pick them as needed rather than all at once. That spreads out your food supply. Avocado trees do require some care early on. They prefer well-draining soil. They need protection from frost when young. They benefit from consistent watering during establishment. But once their root systems deepen, they become far more resilient than people expect. They reward patience. In survival planning, fat sources are rare. Hunting is uncertain. Dairy may not be available. Nuts take years to mature in large quantities. Avocados solve that problem naturally. They convert sunlight into concentrated calories. They transform water and soil into nourishment. They do it quietly, year after year. And unlike stored food, they don't expire. 8. Chestnut tree. If survival had a king among trees, chestnut would be a strong contender. Chestnuts are not nuts in the modern snack sense. They are staple food. In fact, for centuries across Europe and Asia, chestnuts were known as the bread of the mountains. In regions where wheat struggled in thin, rocky soil, chestnut trees fed entire communities. They weren't luxury food, they were daily survival. Chestnuts are high in carbohydrates, low in fat, and surprisingly filling. Unlike most nuts, which are fat-heavy, chestnuts function more like grains or potatoes. They provide slow-burning energy, exactly what the human body needs during hard physical work or food scarcity. They can be roasted over fire, boiled and mashed, dried and ground into flour, added to soups and stews, baked into breads and porridges. Chestnut flour in particular is powerful. It stores well, is naturally sweet, and can replace grain flour in many traditional recipes. In long-term survival planning, a tree that produces flour is not a luxury, it's infrastructure. One mature chestnut tree can produce hundreds of pounds of food per year. That's not a garnish. That's not a supplement. That's sustenance. Per acre, chestnuts can produce more usable calories than many grain crops, without annual tilling, planting, fertilizing, or harvesting cycles. Once established, the tree handles the heavy lifting. Chestnut trees are long-lived and extremely productive once mature. Yes, they take time to establish. Several years may pass before significant yields begin. But survival planning is not about impatience. It's about foresight. Plant once, harvest for decades. In addition to fresh use, chestnuts store exceptionally well when cured and dried. Properly dried chestnuts can last for months, even longer when processed into flour. That makes them ideal for winter reserves and long-term food stability. And there's another advantage. Chestnut trees create ecosystems. Their leaf litter improves soil. Their canopy provides shade. Their roots stabilize slopes and prevent erosion. In mountainous terrain especially, they transform marginal land into productive land. Few trees produce as many carbohydrates per acre with as little annual labor. That's why they were once called the bread tree. And bread has always meant survival.